Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box for the month of October. It's spooky season, hence why I got on my spooky shirt, my bat earrings, my black lipstick. I'm all about the spooky season for the month of October, so hence all of the spooky music and spooky theme. Now, I don't know what happened to this box. Hopefully nothing's broken in here. On the back it says received in damaged condition. So I don't know what happened to this box, but this is gonna be a surprise to all of us when we unbox this. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so let's open this up. Before I open it up, but as always, as per usual, I always, introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, mostly makeup subscription unboxings, but I also do makeup hauls, shopping hauls. We do makeup mystery unboxings. We do makeup advent calendars, anything makeup related, anything beauty related, you're gonna get here on your girl's channel. So if you like beauty, you like makeup, you like cosmetics, all of that in that category, I would just say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so let's find out what's going on in this box here. So let's see. This is I've never received a box like this before, ever. So hopefully nothing is like wet or I don't even know what happened. Okay, so I took all the saran wrap off, and right off the bat, this box feels very sticky. I don't know if you guys can see, like there's like a sticky film. I could kind of see it by looking into the viewfinder. Look at all that, like whatever that is on the box. And it says here, I cross out my address, received in damaged condition. It's still sealed though. It still has like the seal on it. So how would they know it's damaged condition if they didn't even open it? But we're gonna find out. But this sticky stuff, I don't even know what this sticky stuff is. I'm gonna have to like wash my hands in a second and take everything out the box because like my hands feel, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my hands have sticky stuff all over it. Look, there's like some brown stuff. Like, what is all of this? And it's from the box. I see some brown stuff all on here. Oh, I'm gonna have to wash my hands, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I opened this box up, and do you guys see this? What is this, guys? Oh my gosh, guys, what is all of this? What is this? Guys, do you guys see this? That's the brown stuff that was on my hands. It's from this box. Alright, I really gotta throw this box out. I was gonna see if maybe I could just throw it out at the end, but I gotta get rid of the box. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm still trying to figure out like what was all that ookie cookie stuff. Like in the box, on the box, around the box. I don't see anything on the product, so I'm confused as to what happened. But I guess we'll find out momentarily. I am not complaining. Beggars cannot be choosers. Like I said, this is PR. I got it for free, so it's not like I'm going to complain and say, hey,
oh my gosh, my box, it was messed up, it was blah, blah, blah.
I got it for free. If it's free, it's for me. Beggars can't be choosers, so I ain't mad. And at the looks of it so far, nothing looks damaged. So The box, everything comes together, so I never know like what was a part of the Glam Bag Plus or the just a Glam Bag. But they always have some stuff in here and some stuff in the box. So these are what the bags look like. And I totally forgot that the lips were black because I already did the video of me doing my paid for Glam Bag. And I have my black lips on. In case you guys were wondering what lip I have on, I have the Rihanna Fenty black lipstick on. Liquid lip. She cute or whatever. But yeah, the bags are nice. I carry too much makeup. These bags are always too small for me, so I never use them. I'm guessing this is like a part of a PR thing because they gave me like a gold scarf. And the scarf says Ipsy on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it does say like Ipsy, which is cute. Let me smell. I smell like perfume. It smells perfumey, but I mean, I don't know where I'm going with a scarf. I don't really wear scarves like that, but she cute or whatever. Alrighty, so let's look at the stuff that's not in the bag first. So I got a vitamin C serum by the brand Butter. I will not be using this, although I love vitamin C. Your girl has too much skincare, so this will be going in a future giveaway for you guys. So I say this in all my Ipsy PR unboxings. They don't let you pick what you choose. I mean, it's PR. They give you whatever. So I personally don't like skincare. I didn't take a survey for the PR. No one takes a survey for the PR. So you're just getting random stuff that you can show, you know, to show the people what you could or you cannot get. So if the stuff that I don't like, I can't complain because it's not like I got to do a survey or anything. But I normally like the stuff that I do get. But skincare stuff, I always just give away regardless. Now, I got a Theory Charcoal Body Scrub. This is something I would use because body scrub, you know, your girl wants to be nice and soft and smooth. So I would use that. The next thing I got is by Jekka Black. It says Play Pots. No idea what this is, so I'm going to have to open this up and see. Ooh, this is beautiful. It looks like a goldy something. I just like the color, but I don't know what this is. They never really give a card with what the stuff is. But I'm guessing it's some type of maybe eyeshadow or like highlighter. I don't know. I don't know, but it looks pretty. So let's see if it says on the box what it is. It says the large pots encourage you to use makeup brushes on your fingertips to apply. But it doesn't say what it's for. That's a bummer. It says cream pigment for eyes, lips, and cheeks. Well, there you go. Alrighty, I got a Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I've seen a lot of people with this serum. I don't own it, so I'm gonna try this just because it has a salicylic acid in it. It has like glycolic in it. This is a lot of good stuff. And I've seen a lot of people try this, so I will keep this serum. The next thing I got is a Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Eye creams I keep because you can kind of switch off and on your eye cream. So that's what that looks like. I got so far I didn't get any of this stuff in my paid for a box. So that's always a plus. I got an Il Makiage Volume Intense Curl Mascara. Love the packaging on this. I want to say I've gotten this like in previous Ipsy bags and I loved it, so I'm super excited to have this. I'm going to keep it still in the box because I have so many mascaras from doing all my subscription unboxings, so I'm going to keep it. Once you open it, the lifespan starts, so I'm going to keep it in the box for now. So that was everything that was in the box. Actually, I think I did get a card, but they don't say like what you got in there. it just tells you like about like the PR. It tells you, you know, hashtag gifted by Ipsy, and like, you know, to put the tag like Ipsy and stuff like that when you do the video or a post. So let's see what else is in here. I got a M2u NYC Eye Primer. I've never heard of this brand before. I received a Guilty Pleasure lip gloss. I've never heard that brand either. But she cute. I definitely will wear something like this. So she cute. Rena Beauty. The next thing I got, ooh, this made my whole day. The Way Detox Shampoo. Oh, I have this already. I just realized I have this already. I thought it was a scrub. I have the shampoo already, but this will be good for travel. So, super excited for this because I own this and I like it. Ooh, I got a Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Yes. Gonna use that tonight. I also got a Cella like mini eyeshadow palette. These are definitely colors I would wear. This is cute for travel if you don't want to carry like a whole case. It doesn't have a mirror, which stinks, but it's tiny. So, I mean, I guess you're not going to have a tiny mirror. That was everything. That was everything. What am I most excited about for everything here? This is going to be different because I'm normally not excited about skincare, but Tatcha's expensive. And your girl loves Tatcha skincare. So excited to try this because I have not tried this product. And believe it or not, I'm excited to try this Murad skincare, the eye. I love trying different eye products. Who would have thought that I'll be excited for some skincare stuff, right? There was a lot of skincare in this box, but like I said, I don't know what was part of the Ipsy Glam bag, what was part of the Plus. The makeup things I got was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's see, skincare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got a hair product. So these I'm gonna give away though. I'll keep these 3. And I'm definitely gonna keep the eyeshadow palette, the gloss. This was beautiful. I'll try the primer out, and I definitely will use the mascara. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I would give this though a I would give it a 7 out of 10. Because it was nothing that I was like super excited for. But there was something I was super excited to try. So that's why I gave it a higher score rather than just giving it a low one. I'm very happy to try all my stuff out. I'm always happy to try new items. And I want to just thank Ipsy again for sending your girl PR. Like, I'm just like a little old Aisha over here. Like, oh, they know who I am. Okay, I'm very excited for that. So I'm greatly appreciative, and I'm excited to try everything out. What did you guys think about my PR that I got this month? Did you think that my paid for box was better? I did like my paid for box. I'll link my paid for box down in the description below if you guys want to see what I got in my paid box. I do still buy the paid box because you get to choose 3 items. So 9 times out of 10, I'm going to like what I got in my box. Anyway, also, in order to get the Glam Bag X, you have to have the Glam Bag Plus. So I have to keep it. If I don't keep it, then I won't get that. And I love the Glam Bag X. Those are like curated boxes by celebrities. Next month, it's supposed to be Huda Beauty's box that was curated by her. They had one by Khloe Kardashian. Like, I'm loving the Glam Bag X boxes. So your girl is going to stick with that. And I just canceled the regular Glam Bag because, like, I get so much stuff. Like, the minis, I never really use the minis. They just go into the lost but forgotten part of, like, my makeup drawers. So I canceled that. Plus, I get to see what I would have got anyway in the PR, so I canceled that. But I'm happy for everything. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I don't know what to do next. I got my Sephora. I ordered the Sephora Candles because they were like sold out everywhere in the area that I live in New York. So I had to order it online. So I got that box, and I also got my Chic Beauty box that I have to unbox for you guys. But I got this big old box from Sephora. Hold on, let me cover up my name. Hold on. I got this big box from Sephora. Sorry, I had to cover up my name. I don't want anybody stalking your girl. But yeah, that whole big box is that candle set. So I'm super excited to open that up. You guys know I love candles. So stay tuned for those 2 videos. And that's really about it. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Bye.